Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Go straight to Google's account recovery page and pick the phone number lookup. Type the full number with country code. Make sure you control that device because Google will send a verification. Once you submit, Google will validate the number and show any matching accounts or send a code to that phone. This step exists to protect account privacy, so you need access to receive the SMS or call. If you don't get the code, pause here and check signal and carrier blocks. Once Google offers verification, pick SMS or a voice call and wait for the 6-digit code. When it arrives, enter it exactly. Codes are time-limited, so act quickly. After successful verification, Google will list accounts associated with that number, often as masked usernames or partial emails. Write those down. If several accounts appear, you can attempt sign-in or start password recovery for each. Make sure to follow prompts to confirm recovery email addresses or devices linked to each account for a secure. After you identify associated accounts, pick one and follow the sign-in or password reset flow. Request a reset link to recovery email or confirm via device prompt if available. Make sure to update recovery options once you regain access. If you don't receive a code, try the alternate recovery methods offered. Check that your carrier isn't blocking short codes, restart the phone, and wait a few minutes for delayed SMS. If problems persist, use Google's "Try Another Way" prompts to reach alternative verification choices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.